Okay. Yes, now we can copy Optim Signals charts files into local C folder. Okay, where AmiBroker is installed. Yes, minimize it. Click on that files where you downloaded. Okay, that Optim Signals to Optim, yeah, Optim Signals.
I already copied to the signal.
Okay, you already copied. Okay, come to the local C program files 86. Right, AmiBroker. Right, formulas are perfect. Okay, have you extract? Okay, you already extract, no problem. You already done. Yes. Yes. It is done, sir. Don't worry. Okay. Now you can minimize this system or close this window. Okay. Have you installed any kind of antivirus before, or any antivirus do you have? No. Okay. Now we will just give a administration permission to AmiFeed and AmiBroker. Okay, now right click on AmiFeed properties, yes, then compatibility option, compatibility here, then run this program as an administration. There is a tick, just take this one, run this program, yes, and click on OK button. Okay, apply, then OK. Same do with the AmiBroker. Right click, parameters. Okay, have you done? Okay. Compatibility, run this program as an administration. Okay. Sir, open AmiFeed only. AmiFeed, yes, only AmiFeed. Do not open AmiBroker. Okay, never open AmiBroker, because that is by default system, it will automatically by itself. Just click on OK button right now. Now we will do a 3 steps. First we add a data, then database setting and add chart. Okay, only 3 steps. First database setting. Okay, into the AmiBroker, click on file button, database setting button. Yes, come to the downwards, database, right, click 5 minutes to tick. You can see there is a tick data. Yes, just make it to 5 minutes or 1 minute, whichever you want. Normally, yes, 5 minutes. Make it to its 5 minute. Just click on that tick button, so options will open.
Which one is the good?
Normally, sir, use 5 minutes and 15, sorry. And if you want to base interval time for a 1 minute, if you want to check a 1 minute chart, then you can make it to 1 minute chart. Yes, make it for 1 minute, no problem. Okay, yes, 1 minute. Yes, then click on OK button. Yes, now your database setting is made. Okay, now we will add stocks and charts. Okay, on the left hand side, this is AMI data, you can see. Yes, this, yes, click on OK button. Again open that AMI data from the background, you can see. Yes, just add some stocks into this default watch list, or you can make your own watch list. You can click on create button. Yes, make any list, just type it your name. Yes, create. Yes. After creating, just select a watch list from here. Watch list, yes, select it. Now we will add stocks on a left hand side. You can see I select equity there, just selected equity. Yes, now you can add your Biocon or any pharma industry from here, like tick to any tick, like just tick to Biocon. Yes, add, select on add selected symbols here, add selected. Yes, now your Biocon is add. Come to downwards, if you need Lupin, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, okay, you can select by your own self. Okay, all the stocks. Okay, yes, recently you can see, recently you added a Biocon here. Same, if you want BPCL, yes, Yes.
When I add BP here, first we want to create one. After that,
Yes, after that click on add selected here.
okay.
Yes, if you want bulk of data, then you can click on Britannia. Okay. Then Bharti Airtel, Bharat 4G. I will just tick all this. Okay. I will come to downwards. Then I will select C8 Castrol India. Okay. Canara Bank. Then again I will come to the down Cumans India. Then Concor. Then Davis Lab, Dr. Reddy's. Oh, where is the Dr. Reddy's? Okay, you can see I just selecting. After selecting, I will click on add selected here. Then all stocks will be added here. Okay. Yes, this is your list right now. Biocon. Okay. Yes. Now after creating this thing, just come to this backfill here and select a 30 here. Yes, select the 30 and click on backfill button. After it is started for backfilling here. On a downwards you can see backfilling. Yes. Then yes, after selecting all these things on a background side, your AMI broker, okay, just open that. Then on the left hand side there will be some stocks name will be appear like this. You can see. Hello. Yes, right now we selected Bharti Airtel. Okay, your symbols and your database setting is done right now. After it, we will make only chart setting. What we will do? We will do close all left hand side windows first. You can see recently I closed all windows of left hand sides. Hello. Yes, you can see just symbols and charts you need here. Okay, now we will just do chart setting. For making chart setting, you can do it here as well. Just click on this Optim signals buy sell signal generator. It will appear immediately. Okay, and if you want normally, then you can click on file button here. Come to new and blank chart. Okay, then your blank chart will appear like this. You can see this is blank chart. Yes, then you will plot a chart here. Click on that buy sell signal generator, then click on OK button, then tick to this ribbon trading. You can see yes, same as well all these things. These three things is comes out. Then we will close that upwards window. Okay, how we will close it? We will right click on it and click on close button. Yes, right click. Right now our chart is plotted here right now. Okay, then if you doesn't need this left hand side box, you can see trading signal, last signal, buy, add something. Doesn't need for your trading purpose normally. Just come to this pivot finder button here and click on hide. Okay, right click parameters button, come to downwards, and you can, if you want that box, you can make it to show, and if you doesn't need, make it to hide. Okay, yes, now we will click on OK button. After making this chart setting here like this, you can see we will save it. How to save it? Just right click, come to template and save as default. Okay, now it is save. What, sir?
Which one?
First use this buy sell signal generator,
Okay.
then ribbon trading 1 and ribbon trading me, this one. Okay, this three charts is only used by us. Okay, after plotting this, we will close the charts and just save this. How we will save it? Right click, template and save as default. Okay, then if you want here, then we will just right click, template and load as default here. Then your chart will be automatically appear here like this. Okay, and if you want to change symbol, you can select from the left hand side window. Okay, then if you yes, if you want to change it time, you can change from here. Okay. If you want to plot a new chart, just click on this plus button, new default chart, and click on the left hand side which you want to select any stock. Okay, and then make it to 5 minutes. Again plus new default chart from here, and select any left hand side stock. Right now you can see I plotted 5 charts here, sorry 4 charts here: Castrol India, Bharti Airtel, Britannia and C8. Okay, if you want to plot it, you will just click on plus button. Now you can do it by yourself. Once I make it to 5 minutes or 15 minutes, both of them you can use 15 minutes as well. 15 minutes will give you more accuracy. Okay, how to check how to check calls? Already I give you the training video. There is a give us we will explain you how you can check a calls. Okay, if any kind of cell will appear like this. Okay, you just have to yes, all this is just a ready-made indicator. This RSI, BB and MACD must be into red color. Okay, minimum. It means you will get an entry on this next candle here. Yes, it means you will sell from 296.80, not from 298.9. Okay, and take only 1% target once you enter into any trade. Okay, minimum 1%. Yes, if you want to trade into BBCL, it means your 3 rupees will be your minimum target from your entry point. Like if you enter on this 296.80, it means 297. It means like 294 will be your target minimum. Okay, like on this candle or on this next 2 or 3 candles exit on this 295, your no, actually this on 294. Again on the next candle here, your target will be achieved on this candle immediately on exit on 293.6. You can see. Yes, just to make it 3 rupees, 1% only, and take exit immediately. Okay. Now we will close it and open it again. Okay, how you can close it? Just click on this file and save all button here into AmiBroker. You have to save AmiBroker first. Okay, just click on file and save all button. File, click on it, file and save all. Yes, right now this is all charts will be saved here. 5 charts is plotted right now. Okay, 5 charts. Then after saving AmiBroker, we will just close this Ami feed only, this one. Okay, close it. Yes, your AmiBroker will be closed by itself automatically. Okay, now you can open Ami feed again. If you want to open in the morning, you will just open it. After clicking on a downward side, the backfilling, you can see backfilling C8, backfilling Concor, backfilling on a downwards. You can see backfilling is finished. You can see it. AmiBroker will be open automatically by itself. Okay, you don't have to open AmiBroker. Okay.